Land Rover India has launched the new Range Rover Sport SVR priced at 2 crores 19 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The performance SUV brings the luxury of the Range Rover Sport, coupled with that massive supercharged engine built by the company's special vehicles operations. The new Range Rover Sport SVR was updated in 2018 and comes to India only now. The performance SUV is powered by the 5-litre V8 petrol engine that delivers 567 brake horsepower and 700 Nm of peak torque. The motor is paired with an 8-speed torque converter. Pair that engine with Range Rover's lightweight aluminum architecture and the SUV is capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds. The top speed is rated at 280 km per hour. The Range Rover Sport SVR gets bespoke enhancements to the chassis for more dynamic handling along with larger brake calipers and discs as well as bigger air intakes. The SUV comes to India as a completely built unit. Audi India has begun accepting pre-bookings for the e-tron and the e-tron Sportback performance electric SUVs for a token amount of 5 lakh rupees. The all-new Audi e-tron will go on sale in India on the 22nd of July and will take on rivals like the Mercedes-Benz EQC and the Jaguar I-Pace. It is the brand's first ever electric offering and uses two electric motors that develop 355 brake horsepower and 561 Nm of peak torque. The boost mode further increases that figure to 408 brake horsepower and 664 Nm. The Audi e-tron sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.6 seconds and claims a range of 452 km on a single charge from its 95 kWh battery pack. Prices for the e-tron lineup will be between 1 crore and 1.3 crore rupees ex-showroom. Asia's longest high-speed test track has been inaugurated in India and is located in Pithampur, Indore. The NATRAC facility measures 11.3 km in length and is part of the world-class proving ground that comprises other test tracks for automotive and component testing. The new high-speed test track is oval-shaped and is 16 meters wide with 4 independent lanes. This is the 5th largest test track in the world of its kind. The new track has been designed for neutral speeds up to 250 km per hour and a maximum speed of up to 375 km per hour on the curb. The 0% longitudinal slope makes this track an open-air test laboratory for precise measurement of the performance of vehicles. Some of the tests that can happen on the track include maximum speed, acceleration, course down, fuel consumption, high-speed handling and stability, as well as durability. The NATRAC's high-speed test track is open to all kinds of vehicles, while the facility will also be given for commercial events like product launches, racing and dealer events.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.